issued a conflict of interest notice to Rahul Dravid, and that has been criticized by Saurav Ganguly, and Harbhajan Singh has also endorsed what Saurav Ganguly has said. So your views on this?
And I think every profession has conflicts in every walk of life. How you deal with it, how you disclose those prior, what you're involved in, I think is very critical. And once people know that you are involved in so and so, I don't think there's any conflict. So, it's unfortunate that every cricketer only has to deal with the conflict, and that's something that it's unfortunate, because only few of them can contribute. There are only few cricketers who have played for India. It's only 300 as of now, and out of 300, I guess 50% of them are living. So yes, only those can contribute back to the game, and if you don't want them to contribute back to the game, then I think you need to find somebody else to contribute in cricket.